Today let's take a look at the top 6 facts about Rice Lake Survivor truck scales that you need to know. Number 1. GeForce Technology for load cell stability. With GeForce Technology, the gravitational force gained from the scale mounting impact of the truck creates a self-centering action on the load cells. This patented design protects load cells from side load shocks and eliminates the need to install check rods and bumper bolts, reducing wear and additional costs. Number 2. Open bottom Weybridge protection. The Survivor truck scale's open bottom design provides breathing room and allows air circulation, deterring heavy moisture buildup and premature rusting. Competitive models with an enclosed cavity design can predispose the steel to earlier decay. Survivor's exposed surfaces are protected with an industrial asphalt emulsion undercoat or a powder coat finish for a tough defense against extreme weather and corrosive site conditions. Number 3. Load cell pockets offer protection where it matters. Survivor integrated load cell pockets are fabricated from 12-inch wide flange, 14-pound steel beams and welded inside the outer I-beam, resulting in a load cell pocket with superior durability. Number 4. Scales with more steel usually last longer. Built with 25% more steel than most competitive models, Survivor truck scales have strong, high-quality Weybridges. These scales include more structural I-beams longitudinally throughout the Weybridge, so truck tires are continuously supported by an I-beam. Number 5. Designed to withstand extreme use. Based on interstate bridge standards, Survivor truck scales are designed to meet the heavy demands of industrial weighing. They undergo finite element analysis testing to help Rice Lake engineers design the best heavy-capacity scale system they possibly can. In ideal conditions, Survivor truck scales can accommodate heavy scale usage, up to 250 trucks per day for 25 years, saving consumers money over time on unanticipated repairs. Number 6. More versatility. The customization of scale size, finish or module configuration can provide a valuable solution when there is a site restriction or system requirement. Whatever design is desired, the same high value and integrity will accompany any Rice Lake Survivor brand truck scale. For more information and to obtain a quote on a Rice Lake Survivor truck scale, please contact the Central Carolina Scale Sales Team at 919-776-7737 or visit our website, centralcarolinascale.com.